Hello everyone, I'm teacher Jonas and I'm back to teach you math. Now, first, we're gonna review. Review means study again. We're gonna review what we learned last class. Last class we learned about place value. Place value. I hope you remember. Now, before we review place value, let's review about digits. We have 10 digits, remember? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now these are digits. And when we put them together, we make numbers. Remember, these digits are also numbers, okay? So, let's see. Okay, so let's look at 24 here. 24. How many ones do we have in 24? Let's look at the right side. How many ones? We have 4 ones. You see, 1, 1, 1, 1. We have 4 ones. How many tens do we have? 2. We have 10, 10. We have 2 tens. Put them together, 24. Now, you see, we have 2 digits here. We have the digit 4 and digit 2. But because where we put them, we make this number. Now, look at here. This is 24. Now, if I put 4 here, 4, and I put 2 here, 2. What is this number now? 42. You see, when you change the place value, the number changes. It's crazy, I know. Okay, so let's look at this one. We have these numbers: 14, 15, 26, 49. Okay, now let's see the place value of each number's digits. Okay, number 1, 14. Can you tell me what is the ones in 14? Is it 1 or 4? It's 4. We have 4 ones like this. 1, 1, 1. 4 ones. And how many tens do we have? We have 1 tens, right? 1 like this. We have 1 tens. Let's look at 15. How many ones do we have here? We have 5 ones. Very good. And we have 1 tens. Look at this one. 26. How many tens do we have? How many tens do we have in 26? Great job. We have 2 tens. How many ones do we have? 6. Now, look at this one. We have 4 here, and we have 4 here, right? It's the same digit, but the place value is different. This one is 49. Now, 49. How many ones do we have in 49? We have 9 ones. How many tens do we have? How many tens do we have? We have 4 tens. So, as you can see, there is 4 here and there is 4 here, but they are not the same, okay? They are the same digit, but because of place value, one of them is under ones, one of them is under tens. 4 tens means 40. It means 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks of 10 boxes. And when the 4 is in ones, it means boop, 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 4 ones. Okay, so that's it for your review. Now let's learn the new topic. Today's topic is about odd and even. Repeat after me. Odd, odd, O-D-D, odd, very good, and even, even, E-V-E-N, E-V-E-N, even. Okay, so we have odd and even numbers. Now we are not talking about digits, okay? We're talking about numbers. Now let's see what I mean by odd and even, okay? Let's go! Okay, now I'm showing you here odd and even numbers. I colored odd numbers blue and I colored even numbers green. Now let's see. First number that we see here is 0. The number 0 is an even number, okay? Number 2 is also an even number. So 0, 2, next 4 is also an even number, 6 and 8. You see, it's like a bunny. The bunny jumps 2. You see, 1, 2, like boom, 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 boom. Now, these are even numbers. So, even numbers are 0, repeat after me, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even numbers. Now, let's look at odd numbers. 1, boom, 3, boom, 5, boom, 7, boom. Now, I have a question. If I have the number 10, oh, so beautiful. One more time. Let me try again. If we have number 10, is number 10 gonna be odd or even? Okay, let's see. Let's start from odd. Boom, 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 boom. Is it gonna be 10? Is 10 gonna be an odd number? Boom, ding. Uh-oh. So 10 is not an odd number. Let's see with even. 0, boom, 2, boom, 4, boom, 6, boom, 8, boom, 10. So 10 is an even number. Now I'll show you how we can know if a number is odd or even. Let's go. So even numbers are all in pair. In English, pair means two at the same time. For example, like this, or like this, like this. You see, these are pairs, okay? Now, let's look at here. Number 0. 0 is an even number. Next one is 2. You see, one pair. 2 is an even number. 4. 4 has one pair, two pairs. So 4 is an even number also. 6. Boop, boop, boop. Even number. 8. Also even number. Now, odd numbers. They're not in pairs. Like, look at this. One glove is an odd number. Two gloves is a pair, so it's an even number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now, let's see what's next. Odd and even numbers, if you put them in a line, it's going to be like this. Odd, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Very good. Even numbers, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you a question. Number 10, is it odd or even? It's even, right? Now, one way to know if a number is odd or even is to look at the last digit, okay? 10, the last digit is 0. Is 0 an odd number or even number? Yes, 10 has 0, right? 0 is an even number. Now, what about, let's say, 11? Okay, the last digit, you see this one, is 1. So tell me, 1, is it odd or even? It's odd. Very good. So 11 is odd. Now it's easy from now on. Let's look at other numbers. 0, even. 1, odd. 2, even. 3, odd. 4, even. 5, odd. 6, even. 7, odd. 8, even. 9, odd. Okay, you see, we talked about 10, right? You see, we don't have to look at this number. Never mind this. Only look at this number. 0. You see, 0 is an even number, right? So 10 is an even number. Okay. What about 11? We talked about it. Never mind this number. Only look at this digit, okay? Only look at this digit. 1. 1, is it odd or even? Odd. Very good. Now, what about 12? Remember? Bye-bye. Hello. 2, is it odd or even? Very good. Even. Now, let's do the same thing to see 13. Is it odd or even? Look at this. It's odd. Very good. 14. Look at this. 14. Last, see, the digit is 4. It's even. What about 15? You see this digit? It's odd. Very good. Now this one, 16. It's even. What about this one? Boom. 17. See, this digit is 7. It's odd. 18. Even. 19. Odd. 20. Even. Very good. Good job. We don't need the help of these lines anymore. It's easy for us now. Okay, now let's see what's next. Now, in this picture, in this chart, odd numbers are pink, even numbers are blue. Okay? Now, again, remember, odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So let's see. 1, odd. 2, even. 3, odd. 4, even. 5, odd. 6, even. 7, odd. 8, even. 9, odd. 10, even. Very good. Now, how do we know 10? Again, because it's ending with a 0. 11 ends with a 1. Let's see. A random number here. 26. 26. What is this digit? The one on the right. It's 6. So tell me, 26, is it odd or even? It's even. Very good because of this. See? Now what about 29? Okay, let's look at 29. This digit is 9. So 29, is it odd or is it even? Who can tell me? Odd or even? 29. It's odd. Very good, because the ending number 29, 9 is a odd number. Very good. I think you have learned what odd and even numbers are. Okay, so last one, tell me, what about 30? Is it odd or even? It's even. Very good. Okay, now there is a YouTube video that I want you to watch, and I'll send the link later. Until next time, Teacher Jonas out. Bye bye. See you.